So, got the TJ where I like it. I've been wanting to build an Overland trailer, kind of like a tent trailer, pretty much. Basically just a trailer I can haul stuff. If nothing else, it'll be a small cargo trailer that I can use the Jeep to pull when I go off to play music and things like that. At least I'll have something to put it in. I mean, I have a brand new camper sitting right there under that big tarp cover, 26 foot camper. But there's something about primitive camping that I like, and there's really not enough room in the Jeep to carry the tent and things. So what I wanted to do, I drug this thing out of the bushes. I've had it for a while. There's the base metal, the main frame of it here is actually pretty structurally sound. All the cross members are rusted pretty thin, and I've got some steel to replace those. Little places like that right there, gotta kill that. Needs a tongue jack. All in all, I mean, it looks worse than it really is. Had a guy give it to me. I'll strip all the boat stuff off of it. Probably gonna cut it down right about here and shorten it up. Right in this area is about the 8-foot mark. I'm thinking of making it 8 foot long, maybe 10 total to say here, and then leaving that much tongue out the front. Then I'll coat it with some undercoating and start building the frame box on top, and go from there. This is step one.